what are your top three, four, five recommendations that can help people get a good night's sleep and perform better during the day?
Extremely important. And the most common question that we get, the most common type of patients we see in sleep clinic are with insomnia. How to improve the quality of sleep, how to get the amount of sleep that we need to function properly. Medicines is an easy and a short answer, but it's very incomplete answer. I tell my patients who have insomnia or sleep related difficulties, whether it be going to sleep or staying asleep, called sleep onset insomnia and sleep maintenance insomnia. These are habits, basically, which are developed over years, and they don't develop, unlike acute insomnia, which could be related to a stressor, like I have difficulty falling asleep for the last 1 month or for a couple of weeks. That is a different problem. Medications are okay for that short term. But long term, medications is never the correct answer. So, first of all, there is something we call sleep hygiene. It is very important. It's like your pre sleep time should be a ritual. How do you make that environment more conducive to get the best sleep or to fall asleep? Just like anything we do, if we have to go to work, we get up, we get ready, we have to shave, we have to brush, we have to eat breakfast, get nice clothes. Same way, sleep. You should have your environment very conducive to fall asleep. For example, your temperature of your room, the amount of light you have in the room, so the amount of noise level and distraction you have around is very important. And consistency is the key. Not like you're sleeping at 9 o'clock, tomorrow you'll sleep at 11 o'clock, on the weekend you're going to bed at 1 a.m. No, consistency is the key. So your body needs that same time to have the best out of that sleep. So consistency is my first recommendation. Do your prerequisites to go to bed, the environmental things that you need, optimal environmental conditions that you need. And I tell my patients to like wind down before you go to bed. Keep another 30 minutes for your stressors. Don't think about stressors. There are anybody can YouTube. There are some breathing exercises which do help